Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 7, Geography Chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. I hope all of you have studied the previous topics of this chapter very well and you all performed very well in your test paper. Children, in the previous class, you have learnt about the endogenic forces like volcano. These endogenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements and at the other times produce slow movements. The sudden movements like volcano, earthquake causes mass destruction. Children, what happened to this area? Have you heard about earthquakes? Yes. When the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates and the vibrations can travel all around the earth. These vibrations are called earthquakes. An earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. Once more, when the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. The vibrations can travel all around the earth. These vibrations are called earthquakes. An earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy in the earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are recorded with a seismometer, also known as a seismograph. An earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. An earthquake of 2.0 or less can be felt only a little. An earthquake over 5.0 can cause damage from things falling. A 6.0 or higher magnitude is considered very strong and 7.0 and above is classified as a major earthquake. Have you ever noticed the news related with earthquake? Let's see the videos of earthquakes. This is a major earthquake and its magnitude is 8.1. Now look at the video. How earthquakes are formed. The place in the crust where the movement starts is called the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter as waves. Greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter and the strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. Children, now look at the picture. The place in the crust where the movement starts is called focus. So this is where the earthquake occurs. It is the origin of the seismic energy and this area is known as focus. Then the place on the above surface, the focus, the place on the surface above the focus is known as epicenter. The vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter as waves, and these are known as seismic waves. These are radiate out in all the directions. Greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter and the strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. There are three types of earthquake waves: P, S and L. P waves is also known as longitudinal waves. S waves are known as transverse waves. Then L waves are known as surface waves. You will study more about all these three types of earthquake waves in your higher classes. Children, tell me about the earthquake preparedness. Earthquake preparedness. Where to take shelter during an earthquake. First one, safe spot. Under a kitchen counter, table or desk, against an inside corner of or wall. Then stay away from fireplaces, areas around chimneys, windows that shatter including mirrors and picture frames. Then be prepared. Spread awareness amongst your friends and family members and face any disaster confidently.
Have you ever heard about tsunami?
What is the reason behind tsunami? When the epicenter of the earthquake is in the seabed, it causes huge tidal waves which could have a devastating effect on the seashores. Such phenomenon is known as tsunami. Children, look here. The epicenter of the earth is in seabed. Here the epicenter is in the seabed. It causes huge tidal waves which could have devastating effect on the seashores. So this could cause huge tidal waves which could have devastating effect on the seashore.
Let us see the videos of tsunami. Tsunami is a series of waves in a water body caused by the displacement of a large volume of water, generally in an ocean. So children, please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.